but how do we understand the fall of man and its impact on the rest of creation? Because it seems to me, as I read like parts in Romans 8 or in Revelation, that the impact of the fall of man is like this idea that it's cosmic. It causes the fall of the whole world, but that doesn't seem at all compatible with this. So I'm just wondering how you what your thoughts are on that.
I do not know, Dan, how to make sense of this sort of cosmic implications of the fall. I don't understand how the fall of Adam and Eve, frankly, even on the traditional model, I mean, never mind mine,
Yeah.
I don't understand how they're committing moral evil and bringing sin into the human race would produce these sort of cosmic effects. So I'm not inclined to think of that in a sort of literal way unless somebody can make sense of it for me.
Well, isn't the idea that God curses the creation because of the sin? Like, cursed is the ground.
Okay. Well, no, if you think of it that way, then that would make sense. And that could be used on my model that when Adam and Eve sin, they alienate themselves from God and they are estranged from him now. And in virtue of that, God does something to curse the created order. What that involves physically, I don't know. I mean, I've heard people speculate like maybe the second law of thermodynamics is the result of this. And that's preposterous because you couldn't even live in a world that wasn't governed by the second law. So, yes, you could imagine a miraculous cursing. I just don't know wherein that consisted. But yeah, you could do that.